Hey, I'm Josh with US Digital Encoder Support. In this video, we're going to be going over our packaging options, so you know which option will best suit your needs. For packaging on most of our encoder kits, we have 3 options, bulk and 2 individual configurations. This is referenced by the last digit in our part number. These different options look pretty similar when you're ordering 4 or less encoders. Some of our encoders ship in individual plastic clamshells, like this E5 here, and others will ship in ESD bags, like this one here. When you're ordering in larger quantities, things can look quite a bit different. Part of that has to do with how things are packaged, and part of that has to do with how many tools you get with your order. If you select bulk packaging, our kit encoders ship with their different components grouped into individual bags or containers. Modules ship in these plastic tubes. Discs ship in clamshells, like this. Covers, bases, and other hardware will ship in plastic bags. With bulk packaging, you'll receive 1 set of assembly tools per order and an additional set of tools for every 100 additional encoders. This is a great option for an assembly line where one person is going to be doing all of the encoder installations. If you select the first individual packaging option, each encoder kit will be packaged separately in those clamshells or bags with 1 set of tools per order, just like with the bulk option. You'll also receive an additional set of tools for every 100 encoders you order this way. This is a great option for a service person who doesn't need multiple sets of tools, but will only be installing 1 encoder at a time. If you select the second individual packaging option, you get a set of tools for every encoder. This is a great option if you're selling the complete kits individually, or if you're sending them to a job site with a service person and they need to have an encoder and tools on them at all times. There's one notable exception to this rule, and that's with our E3 and E6 encoders. The centering tool is not included with these encoders unless you select option 3 packaging, but the centering tool can be purchased separately. We hope this helps clear up product packaging, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out or let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching US Digital Encoder Support. Please subscribe to our channel for product updates, tutorials, and FAQs. If you need help, please reach out to us in the comments below or by visiting usdigital.com/support. If you found us here, check out our other YouTube channel at youtube.com/usdigital.